Hello, hello.
Hello, right. Let's see what's in the van.
New models.
Oh yes. I've been all the way to Corby
Yeah.
to see Gary and buy his collection of him. Lots of minis. We've got some
It's like some Del Prados.
Del Prados. And this is a fun set with all the old Mini Coopers, end of an era set. We'll have a look at that inside. It's Batman. Okay, well let's get them inside and have a further look.
How many pieces do we get in this lot?
There's 250 pieces of the car product, and there's 74 of the Del Prado Ultimate Car Collection cars.
Yeah.
So altogether, yeah, we're just over 325 pieces.
Not too bad.
No, not
too bad.
so bad. And this bike wasn't in the original lot, so they're on top there as well. There's some pieces in here that I've been looking forward to getting. That's convenient, right on the top. And some others do have them. And I think in there might even be an Italian job.
Yeah.
We've got this. Now, this is Basil Fawlty and his Austin 1300 estate.
Yeah.
Okay, from Fawlty Towers. Now, this is something we see quite often. It's one people really like. Generally sells between £25–30.
Mm-hmm.
But this one is different. Can you spot it?
Ooh. Yeah, I'm seeing it.
What are you seeing?
I'm seeing watery fowls.
Watery fowls, indeed. Now, if you remember on the credits of the TV show, you've always got the sign outside the hotel with Fawlty Towers, the letters slip.
Yeah.
And always at some stage in the credits, the letters have been rearranged into some sort of anagram.
Yeah.
That's what this is.
That's what that one is, yeah.
And there's a very, very few of these that have got the letters mixed up.
Uh-huh.
I don't even know how many there are, the different sets. But this is the first one I've ever seen.
Yeah, I've never seen that before.
No.
It's quite rare.
It's extremely rare, and like I say, a standard one, £25–30. I've seen people asking £200 for these. That could be a bit steep, but at least they're going to be worth quite a bit more than the average.
Yeah.
So I'm pleased to have found that one. We've got quite a few TV and movie. Lovejoy, if anybody remembers Lovejoy.
Nope.
Some mothers do have them, which I think has just recently been remade.
Really?
Classic
TV.
Only Fools and Horses.
Everyone knows that one.
Oh yeah, that movie.
Yeah.
The Italian Job.
So we've got the white one.
Got the white one. This obviously you get the red and the blue ones too. Oh gosh, this one's got.
It's got a little sticker on.
It's got a sticker on the top. Collect 2000.
No idea.
No idea. So, but that's the one with the resin figure. So it's always more popular. I think it might even be white metal, that figure.
Nice.
And we have.
I'm seeing. Hang on a minute. Who's that? That's Mr. Bean's Teddy. Oh.
You know, there's me thinking someone's just left their teddy in the box.
No, it's Mr. Bean's Teddy from the show.
Bean's Teddy.
I've never seen that before. I wonder if it came with the actual model itself.
Well, then we've got one Mr. Bean.
Yeah.
Then we've got the Mr. Bean with the cartoon figure.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And Bear.
I'm thinking that goes with that.
I think it might. Although I have a feeling it might have been sold separately. Goodness knows.
Potentially. It's the official
teddy bear.
Official Mr. Teddy.
And we have another version of Mr. Bean.
Okay.
Oh my, oh
I think
gosh.
we had a Mr. Bean fan.
Italian Job.
Full set, very nice.
Full set, yes. Well, we like minis, I think.
Yeah.
This mini that's in all these boxes, it's a Corgi 1/36 scale mini, and that was made in 1992.
Yeah.
They're still making them now for royal commemoratives, and the first time that car came out was in 1976.
Oh really?
Yep, number 200 in Corgi toys, and so Corgi have certainly got their money's worth out of that one.
Yeah.
Yet another version of Mr. Bean.
They're racking up now.
We have all the Italian Job cars.
Nice.
Shame we haven't got the bus. The bus is always popular. Oh my, look at how many minis there are in there. In my database, I've got 200 versions of that Mini listed. Now let's see what else we might have in these boxes. We have some history.
What we got?
Now this one's fun.
Oh, hello. Green Hornet.
Green Hornet. Black Beauty, and it looks in lovely condition. Now you can tell straight away it's not the remake, it's the original Corgi, because it has the man doing the drive-by shooting in the side.
Yep.
In the remake, the man is as a figure standing by it.
Yeah.
It's lost its little flyer out of the back, which you always do.
Typical.
And it's lost its missile out of the front.
Yeah.
But
Nice and charming.
Corgi managed to sell about 1/3 of those back in the day, even though the TV show wasn't even shown in the UK. And, oh my.
Ooh, fab.
A Fab.
One.
Fab 1. Original. And it's got the missile in it.
Oh, wow.
I won't fire that because we'll never see it again.
Hey, go behind.
Well,
go
that's the
behind
original
something.
Dinky Toys from back in the 1960s.
That's really nice.
It is, I'm really pleased with that. Oh, now while we're on the puppet show theme,
Looks to me like Captain Scarlet.
it is Captain Scarlet in a Spectrum patrol car.
Nice.
Yeah, it is. Oh gosh. Now, when the Saint drove his Volvo, the Volvo 1800 was the coolest car on the road by a long chalk. And all he did was make it cooler. Now, here's a bit of nerdery for you.
Go for it.
Well, Corgi got wind of this car before it went into production, the real car that is. So they made their model based on the prototype, which had these cow horn front bumpers and a great big V in the middle of the grille.
Yeah, I see it.
They never made it into production. So if you see one of these on the road, it has a straight bumper and no V.
Yeah.
And also, if it's one of the original ones which were made for Volvo by Jensen in Wolverhampton, it'll be rotten with rust. They very shortly moved the production to Sweden, so you then had the Volvo P1800S for Sweden.
Interesting.
Now,
What we got?
we have an Austin
There we go.
Cambridge,
Very old Corgi box.
an Austin A60. Has a bit of price on the box.
Usually in pencil, isn't it?
It doesn't have, no it doesn't. It would have probably been around 6 shillings. It has what's called mother marks on it, which is where your mum writes your name on it so it doesn't get lost when you go out to play. But this one has
Ooh,
working steering.
turning wheels.
Now,
That's very exciting.
you can see this is a right-hand drive car. The cars that Corgi made for export were left-hand drive. Oh, we have the abomination that is the second Italian job movie. I guarantee I've never managed to sit through the whole thing.
Yeah,
But the cars are nice.
cars are nice.
Let's have a look in these other boxes just while we're here. So,
What else we got? Oh, modern Fab 1.
talking of Lady Penelope and Parker, there they are again. We say modern. How old is it?
Probably about 20 years old now.
He's 21 years old. Modern.
Modern, relatively speaking.
Relatively speaking. We've got Noddy in his car with big ears and I can't remember what the bear's called. Is it Mr. Tubby?
You tell me.
Now if you see one of these on your travels, you may safely walk away. These were given away free with petrol in the mid-1980s and have no value. Oh, this is what we've been looking for.
I love a random box.
A random box. Now this is a nice one to finish our little chat about.
Okie dokie.
Okay? Do you know the car?
Is that a Lancia?
No. It's a De Tomaso Mangusta. So why did Mr. De Tomaso call his car a Mangusta?
No idea.
Mangusta is Italian for mongoose. And he called it that by way of signalling what he thought of Carroll Shelby. At the time, of course, Carroll Shelby was making the Cobra. And he was in talks with De Tomaso about maybe taking over the company or getting Ford investment, certainly getting American investment into De Tomaso. It all came to naught, and De Tomaso felt he'd been rather had one put over on him. So he called his car the Mangusta, because Mangusta is Italian for mongoose, and mongooses kill and eat cobras. Hence the name.
There we go.
So we have a really nice collection of cars, and I'm very proud and very pleased to have got them. So Gary got in touch with me probably about 6 weeks ago now, told me he had a collection of cars he wanted to sell, and we go through a process whereby he sent me some photographs, and they're really good photographs, taken on the tabletop, maybe 10 at a time, and from that I can get a very good idea of what's in the collection and do a valuation. As a result of that, I was able to make him an offer with which he was happy, and it's never a deal unless everyone walks away happy. I was happy with the cars, he's happy with the money, so that's great. And then it was a case of scheduling in a time to collect. And so today was the day. I've driven to Corby this morning to pick these up, and now they're back in the warehouse, and they will start to appear on the website probably from the early part of next week.
Great.
Look forward to seeing them there.